Assalamu alaikum viewers, I am Bilal Zaman and you are watching Saiban News HD. Now adding important news from Saudi Arabia to our broadcast for this evening update.
Saudi Arabia's new national airline. Riyadh Air has announced to launch a direct flight to Pakistan, further strengthening air connectivity between Saudi Arabia and Pakistan. Riyadh Air will begin its operation to Pakistan in August, with booking already open for flight to Islamabad and Lahore. Daily flight from Riyadh to Islamabad will commence on 14 August, while free working flights between Riyadh and Lahore will begin on August 18. According to reports, Riyadh Air's modern Boeing 787-9 Dreamliner aircraft will be deployed on both routes. The arrival Riyadh Air in Pakistan is expected to provide millions of Pakistanis living in Saudi Arabia with more travel options, while also promoting tourism, trade and people-to-people ties between the two countries.
For more updates, connect with us and subscribe to our channel Saiban News HD. Follow our page as well for the latest news stories and breaking information.